My name is Steve Stella. I'm from the Incisal Edge Dental Studio in Leicester, Massachusetts. We've been EnvisionTEC customers since 2007. We started with the P3. We're upgrading to our Envision One for digital dentures and trying to get to the next level.
It's fast, it's reliable, has a high degree of accuracy. It's perfect for a high volume lab.
If you are a laboratory that isn't doing dentures and you want to add that to your portfolio, this is an economical way to increase production, increase your product to your customer, and still get a high-end, beautiful denture. If you are already doing dentures, this is a way to increase your profitability and use some of your technicians for other tasks and to cross-train.